Hi everyone, and welcome to another Yellowfin University video. This video is going to be on report editing options. We'll start by coming up here to the report button where we'll have three different options. The first is to create a new report. The second is to create a copy of this report. And then finally, we can delete this report altogether. Coming into edit, you'll notice that the steps listed under edit are the same steps that are listed when building a report. So we can dive right into a particular step if we know exactly what we want to do. For example, if I want to just change maybe the color of my pie chart there, I can start on the chart step instead of having to start at the data step. And if I just want to make a very simple change like name and description, I can do that as well. We'll go right into the data step here, and it's just letting us know that we're creating a new version of this report. So those that still want to use this report while I'm working on my new version certainly can. We're not going to affect them. Now, as I make changes to this report to get some sort of new information that I want, I realize that I want to get the report back to par, and I don't remember the columns that I need to drag back in. So I can simply click on the report button here, click undo changes, and it's going to ask us if we want to revert back to the last active version from today at 10:20. We'll click yes. And there we have it. We're right back to par. Our boss will never know that we messed up. So we'll go back into the edit step here. And let's just pretend that I've made some changes. I like what I have, and I want to publish these changes. So I'm going to go to the Design tab first to confirm these changes. Yes, it looks like what I want. And you will notice this information box up here, just letting us know that when we save this report, we're going to be replacing the current active version with the changes that we've just made. And I can click here to view that current active version to compare the difference. We'll come up to the report button here where I can save this report, and of course that will replace the current active version. I can save as, which essentially creates a new version of the report, and it will be published there, so that way we don't replace what's currently in production. I can click undo changes. Of course you saw what happens with that, and finally I can delete this version altogether if I'm unhappy with what I have or I just need to delete it. All this does is delete the version that I just created. It does not delete the version that is in production. So we'll go ahead and click publish, save. There we have it. I have published my new report changes that I have made. And that is it. Thank you guys for tuning in to another Yellowfin University video. We'll see you next time.